The two heroes are here. Let me tell you, international arenas. Chauhan's I Am Home, promoted by Domination, Dawn and Team Innovation. Let's welcome the Queen of Music, the mesmerizing diva, who's given us the best of music to our industry since the past 2 decades. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your moment. आप आराम से अपने फोटोज ले लें। सबसे पहले तो कहना चाहूंगी स्टनिंग सुनिधि, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग हियर विद अस। सभी आपका इंतजार कर रहे थे, तो क्योंकि आप बिल्कुल आप आराम से फोटोज वीडियोस लें, हम कोई भी शुरुआत नहीं करेंगे। वी गोना गिव यू गुड 70 सेकंड, 70 सेकंड आपके नाम है, लेकिन क्योंकि हम सब ऑफ कोर्स फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम द मीडिया हैं, हमारे हाथ में हमारे गैजेट्स हैं, तो इसलिए हम बहुत अलग स्टाइल में सेलिब्रेट करेंगे, जहां हम चिल्ला सकते हैं, स्क्रीम कर सकते हैं, टू माय लेफ्ट, टू माय राइट, और सीटी भी ऑफिशियली बजा सकते हैं, बिकॉज़ इसी तरह हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। होने जा रहा है द वेरी यूनिक डैशिंग कॉन्सर्ट। तो कुछ सीढ़ियां हो जाए। क्या बात है, ये सीटी बड़ी जबरदस्त है, आप प्लीज बजाते रहे। सोहेल, सीटी बंद हो गई सुनिधि को देखकर, इतना क्रेजी हो गए आप अब से, अभी तो शुरुआत है, थोड़ा सा इंतजार कर लीजिए। Ladies and gentlemen, what an amazing moment. I'm going to take this opportunity of very brief introduction to everyone who is here with us. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for me to truly thank the magnificent gentleman. He's a young living legend who's given not just India but internationally the best of entertainment, concerts and events. Ladies and gentlemen, he's the one, of course, who believes कि जो भी करना है, live life king size। जोरदार तालियां हो जाए, और तालियां हमारे CD फॉर्म में होंगे और चिल्लाने के फॉर्म में होंगे for the one and only our living legend, Mohammad Morani। Mr. Morani, thank you so much. You're all truly awaiting my date अभी से ही, जहां पर भी आप देख रहे हैं वर्ल्ड में, make sure आप मुंबई PP स्टेडियम, शाम आपकी सुनिधि चौहान के नाम है, आप सबकी शाम। Well, ladies and gentlemen and friends from the media, आइए हम बिल्कुल जोड़ते हैं, बिल्कुल खूबसूरती से attached है the Moranis and all the heroes together. Let's give it up for Mazhar Nadiadwala. Thank you so much, Mazhar. हम सब देखते हैं कि जब भी डोम कोई इवेंट करता है, तो चलो यार आज तो धमाल मचने वाली है, धूम मचने वाली है, just because we have Sunidhi Chauhan here with us. And ladies and gentlemen, हमारे साथ है मोहित, maybe ruling the world of nightlife events and celebrations in a very magnificent way. We have all the 3 stalwarts from their team innovation, और हमारे साथ है मोहित बिजलानी। Hi मोहित। And now, जिसका हम सब बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे थे, जिनकी आवाज न सिर्फ हमारे दिलों को छू जाती है, बल्कि हमारे रूह को भी छू जाती है। Since the past 20 years, it's only 20 years, let me tell you, she is numero uno par excellence. All over the world, it is just उन्हीं का राज जो चलता है प्यार से सबके दिलों में, due to her music. Devya said, you know, it's always about the music and the light. सुनिधि के आने से लाइट भी आ गई, और म्यूजिक का हम और क्या कह सकते हैं, उनकी आवाज में वो जादू है, वो जलवा है, वो नशा है, वो मोहब्बत है, चाहे वो बॉलीवुड हो, सूफी हो, ब्लूज हो या गजल हो। Just love it completely। तो आइए, जिसका हम सब बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे हैं, सबसे पहले हम सुनिधि से पूछती हैं, ऐसा लग रहा है this is the very first Danube Properties Dubai presenting Sunidhi Chauhan, I Am Home. What do you like to tell everyone, Sunidhi? Thank you so much for putting up our heart for being here, and we all are big fans of you.
Firstly, thank you so much, all the media, everybody who's present here. आप लोगों का प्यार, support हमेशा से रहा है, अब तक है, and I hope it continues. I'm Home is very, very special to me. It's very close to my heart. Last year on the 13th of August इसकी शुरुआत हुई थी दुबई में कोका कोला अरीना में। मैंने ये पहली बार एक कोशिश की, वैसे तो कॉन्सर्ट हम करते रहते हैं, लेकिन इसकी स्पेशल बात ये थी कि this was the first time where I got absolutely involved in everything from every department in the show, whether it's lights or graphics or sound, music, dancers, everything. और मुझे ऐसा लगा कि जब वो शो किया हमने और उसकी जो जैसे लोगों ने उसको पसंद किया, उसकी जो बात हुई, उससे मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस आया कि इसको मुझे आगे लेके जाना चाहिए. आई शुड डू मोर ऑफ आई एम होम. एंड इससे बेहतर हो ही नहीं सकता था कि इंडिया में, इनफैक्ट मुंबई में पहली बार आई एम होम मेरे साथ मिलकर मुरानीज, आई मीन मोहम्मद भाई कर रहे हैं. दिस इज द बेस्ट पार्ट, क्योंकि ये मुझे आप मजर भाई दोनों तब से जानते हैं जब मैं शायद 11 साल की थी. पहला टूर मेरे लाइफ का पहला वर्ल्ड टूर मैंने आपके साथ किया था. सो दे सीन मी लाइक रियली व्हेन आई वाज अ चाइल्ड. दे नो क्या मैं हमेशा से करना चाहती हूँ, क्या मेरे डिजायर्स हैं. सो आई थिंक इट्स लाइक टू पीपल हु आर लाइक माइंडेड हु कम टुगेदर नाउ एंड वी गोना डू what we do best, what we can do, and to make people happy and give them the best of entertainment. So I hope I'm home में आप सब लोग आए और आप इसका मजा लेंगे. I'm just very excited. It's really a special thing for me. And at the door, NSCI.
हेलो. सो ये शो के लिए ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत मेहनत हुई है, बिकॉज सुनिधि को हमेशा अपने ऑडियंस को बेस्ट देना पड़ता है. सो बहुत मेहनत किया है. अगर सुनिधि का नया अवतार आप अभी देख सकते हो. इसके बारे में हम अब जिक्र करेंगे. बोलते ना हीरोइन लोग अपने अपने एप्स बना रहे, लुक एट हर एप्स. So, or she is the only living diva and singing diva today. Big hand for Sunidhi.
So true. Iska bhi last part hone ja raha hai. So everyone who's watching us live, hold your breath. We have the magic unveiling. So here we have the promo jo aap sab ke liye hum dekhna chahenge. Aarti Riches and lovely guests. Let's take a look. Lights off and presenting the promo for this spectacle. It's time for us to, of course, get to know from our stalwarts and Sunidhi, but right after we take a look at some of the supreme few. Now, ये few नहीं है, बहुत सारे, और ये सारे गाने ही super hit होते हैं. But आइए एक झलक हो जाए with Sunidhi Chauhan, super hit, and the sensational, soulful singer Sunidhi Chauhan. Let's have the hot seats here, please. Thank you. Wow, what a great moment. We just can't wait. Please do remember 20th of August at Dome SVT Stadium, Mumbai. पहली बार ये magnificent celebration होने जा रहा है, and couldn't have been bigger than this, the biggest one. Ladies and gentlemen, क्या बात है. So let the magic begin. Friends from the media.
So good evening, and see, whatever I shared with her is nostalgic. She was only 11 years old when I experienced Sunidhi singing, and I always dreamt of working with her. And that time we used to work out of India 7 months, and we used to do the biggest shows in the country, in the world. And this tour was very special. It was the Amitabh Bachchan World Tour, where we started way back in 1994. And she was, being a big star, Amitabh Bachchan, followed by a show with Amir Khan next year, followed by a show with Shah Rukh Khan the other year. So simultaneous years I've been working with her, and she's only been fantastic. And I remember an incident when she was on stage and maybe a bag had got lost, and she was rehearsing, and we didn't have time, and I said, let me go out shopping for you, you rehearse. I went out to buy Sunidhi's clothes, and I did the shopping, and she was only 11 years old, and she was a sensation that time, and still a sensation, guys. You should give her a big hand for where she has reached. 20 decades of rocking this world, followed by many award functions that she has worked with. Whenever I used to do these big award shows, screen, we call it the Star Screen, whether it was Filmfare, whether it was Zee Cine Awards, I always thought कि music में क्या कर सकते हैं. And then me and Sunidhi brainstormed, and we came about the first act for Zee Cine Awards as a, we did a nomination where she sang in variations. So that was the first time ever a singer did a mid-act between the awards, followed by Star Screen, followed by Filmfare. We did a lot of work. Sunidhi will tell you a little later. So again, I'm still a very big fan, and I'll continue to be one.
Wow, thank you so much. And Sunidhi is also getting back. I'm thinking about 1994, but it's so fresh in your mind that you instantly remember the year and of course the show. And wow, and Sunidhi तब से लेकर अब तक आपको ढेर सारा प्यार मिलते आ रहा है, कितनी सारी मोहब्बत. And let me tell you, जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि आपकी आवाज़ हमारे रूह को छू जाती है. You truly are a soulful singer. No wonder, of course, we all call you as the queen of the music industry. What is special about this concert, Sunidhi?
Everything is. The fact that it's in Mumbai, sorry. अपने घर में शो करने का मौका मिल रहा है, वो भी I think ये पहला मेरा concert है जो मुंबई में होने जा रहा है. मैंने बहुत perform किया है, but a first ticketed concert, so it's a big thing for me, of course. और वो भी again मोहन भाई के साथ, मजन भाई के साथ. इतनी सारी बातें हैं, when I think about that time, I mean, कुछ मालूम नहीं था, लेकिन I think मोहम्मद भाई always knew. In fact, मोहम्मद भाई and the team, they knew I always had the desire to dance and sing. और वो backstage दिखते थे जब माधुरी के साथ हमने किया था वर्ल्ड टूर, तो मैं पीछे डांस करती रहती थी, डांसर्स को देखती थी, मुझे मन करता था. तो वो बात ये जानते थे. तो मुझे याद है जी सिने अवार्ड्स जब हुआ था, तो it was him who said कि why not we do this with you this time, you sing and you dance also. So अगर मैं ये कहूँ कि पहला the first ever performance of mine where I sang and danced together with a proper choreography, but a little bit क्योंकि तब मैं इतनी confident नहीं थी, वो जी सिने अवार्ड्स के लिए था. So तब से ही दिमाग में हमेशा से था कि मुझे I want to get back to dancing and singing both together on stage. And now I feel ready, I feel comfortable, and I think I can give a lot more. मुझे पता नहीं क्यों ऐसा लगता है कि अब तक जो मैंने किया है वो तो बोनस था. अभी जो कर रही हूँ मैं वो एक्चुअली काम है, और वो चीज़ है जिसके लिए मुझे मेहनत करनी है, जिसके लिए I look forward to. I want to wake up in the morning, sing and dance. I just want to do that all day. और जब ये shows में translate होता है, तो और जब लोग देखते हैं और वो बोलते हैं कि उनको अच्छा लग रहा है, it's the best feeling. I mean, what else could you ask for, right? You want to do this, you want to do something you love for life, and if you have everybody around you who can just help you and push you for that, your life is set. So I'm set, I'm home, and I'm going to see you at I'm Home, I hope, on the 20th of August at NSCI Dome. It's a great venue. I think we're going to have a blast.
It's one of the biggest concerts happening. और आप सबको sorry but एक छोटी सी warning मैं देना चाहूँगी कि जब सुनिधि perform करती है, because it's again music with dance, and as she said, she's the one who created that trend in the country. बट तब तो वो नेचुरल था इनके लिए, लेकिन उनके बाद से वो ट्रेंड शुरू हुआ। तो आप सब है ना, वार्निंग ये है कि अपनी आंखें ना ब्लिंक करना भूल जाएंगे कि हम इसी तरह ताकते रहते हैं, बट दैट इज द काइंड ऑफ लव that we have for Sunidhi Chauhan. So जब आएंगे तो आराम से बैठे बिल्कुल enjoy करके आना, क्योंकि you'll truly forget when you blink your eyes when Sunidhi performs. I want to ask Mazhar, how thrilled are you? क्योंकि हमारा ये wondrous, हम लोग पहली बार इतना huge concert होने जा रहा है मुंबई सिटी में. So how thrilled are you? आमची मुंबई में वो भी.
I can't put it in words how exciting it is and how excited we are to do this new show with Sunidhi herself. Mohammed Bhai has already spoken a lot of how far we go back and how we started off with Sunidhi. But it's always been a pleasure doing shows and doing anything to do with Sunidhi. So it was way back when she was 11 and she started with us. There were so many times when people used to come to us and ask, hey, who was that girl? Who was that? You know, when she just started off, she has such a lovely voice. Like she could be compared to the best of singers at that time, and she's only gone better. She's only gone better with each year and with each show. So there's a lot of excitement for the show, and of course, speaking of a talent, I mean, you know, she used to be so involved, and she used to put in so much effort. And I remember her father, Dushanji, who used to always be her backbone, standing beside her, and he still is. And it was always a pleasure, you know, giving all the support. He used to be standing with us, with her, giving her all the courage. It was absolutely amazing, and it still is. So yes, very, very excited to come back together again, bring all that nostalgia again, and give it our best once again.
Yay! I can already feel the energy here, and let's go to Mohit. आपका तो नाम ही Mohit है. Mohit, we don't need to look forward to domination coming together. Let's go with your team innovation. तो कितने thrill है आप, और क्या कहना चाहेंगे about this concert?
First of all, I would like to say we're very happy already. Currently looking at the response of the show, we're almost close to a sold out, and we're really looking forward. I'm sure man is going to completely set the stage on fire. It's a complete different performance with a lot of dance, a lot of musicians. It's a complete entourage, and we have worked really hard to create a good experience for everyone. Really looking forward to have all of you guys for the show. And it's obviously a great team involved behind this and a great show to associate with. Thank you guys. We're really looking forward to see you all there.
Thank you so much, Mohit. And we're going to ask Mohammed, Mr. Morani. I love to address you that way. Mr. Morani, what are your future plans for Sunidhi Chauhan concert? At the same time, I'd really like to know from you that this is completely magnificent. I'm very excited.
So basically, when like the passion was always there, so we always wanted to dance. She did a show and she got great response in the fight with the same concept, and then we said we should do the biggest one, work more on it. She's lost more and more weight, and she's been doing dancing. She will tell you all that herself, and to curate a show on the lines of an international concert, take it India and then take it globally again. So it's a brand new show of Sunidhi Chauhan, which will set a benchmark.
Thank you so much. And now, the question जो आप सबके दिलों में दौड़ रहा है, the whole world, the entire world wants to know. So we have, we're giving you options to Sunidhi. Sunidhi, is it that you lost weight because of the love for your craft? Did it naturally happen? And yeah, ये जलवा कैसे हो गया? Because we all look up to you, yeah. You've been such an inspiration. And of course, mesmerizing queen तो हमेशा से रही हैं आप, लगभग 2 decades से. But how did this all happen? It's just magical. ऐसे लग रहा है ना that we have, you know, the divas, we know it since 20 years, but अब जो अब की Sunidhi Chauhan है is notches higher altogether. So share with us your secret. राज को पास कर दें, please.
Honestly, there is no secret. हाँ, अगर आप लाइफ में टाइम मैनेजमेंट सीख लें तो आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. And honestly, seriously, इससे अलग और कुछ नहीं है टाइम मैनेजमेंट. I just made sure that I finished everything that I had planned in a day. obviously exercise was a part of that plan, and dancing, I started learning dancing. It's been 3 years now. और ये कोई ऐसा टारगेट नहीं था, कोई एजेंडा नहीं था कि शो में, आई मीन अगर आप लोगों ने पहले कभी मेरा शो देखा हो तो मैं ग्रूव तो करती हूँ म्यूजिक के साथ, आई ऑलवेज जंप अराउंड, यू नो, रनिंग हियर एंड देयर, बट जब आप सीखने लगते हो कुछ, देन यू स्टार्ट गेटिंग कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट इट, एंड देन यू वांट टू इनकॉर्पोरेट दैट इन योर शो, एंड दैट एग्जैक्टली व्हाट हैपेंड वेरी वेरी स्लोली. I am just happier when I can do whatever I want to do on stage. Because stage is the only place, I must say, where I feel the most real self. That I am I'm the most real self on stage. And I think that's why everything that I want to do ho jata hai stage pe. So losing weight, staying fit is just a byproduct of something that you, आप अगर एक टाइम मैनेजमेंट अगर आप उस पर ध्यान दें तो बाकी सब चीज़ें just fall into place. And that's exactly what happened with me. So nothing special I did. That's all.
ये supremely special है. Sunidhi, what you said is right. जब आप स्टेज पर होती है ना, तो we can see the soulful Sunidhi, because you're so much with that beautiful self of yours, and आप हम सबको भी अपनी इस खूबसूरत सी दुनिया में ले जाती हैं. So thank you so much for winning hearts, trillions of hearts across the world. Wow, I know आपके दिमाग में जो प्रश्न है मेरे दिमाग में भी है, आपसे ही पूछूंगी. पर इससे पहले मैं मज़र से पूछना चाहूँगी, मज़र, how is dominating the concert world?
Well, we came together with this young team, Mohit, Akash and Sudesh. The team which is really, they are into their marketing and promoting shows and doing a brilliant job. And we came together with Team Innovation, of course, with our number of years of experience, which is into decades, maybe more than 4 or 5 decades. And coming together with them, bringing our powers together, so it was Dome and Team Innovation, and that formed our domination. So yes, we are here with our domination to give better and better, and what better than Sunidhi. And right now, I think it's very, very exciting to have Sunidhi with us and do this show under the cake.
The incredible, sensational performers all here. Now, I need to ask from our friends from the media. Thank you once again to all of you. So we have 2 options. Either we open for the questions from you, or else हम सिर्फ request करना चाहिए सुनिधि से कि कुछ सुनाना चाहिए. So what you go first?
सुनाना चाहे
जरूर जरूर
नहीं, हम मतलब मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी उनसे, आपका सुनकर जोर से कहिए ना.
कमली
तो जो सुनिधि जाए, सुनिधि, is it okay that before we open from the questions from the friends from the media? Live Sunidhi Chauhan for forthcoming concert on the 20th of August at Dome by Domination.
Woohoo!
यार मनावांगी, हर चिलमन फूक जलावांगी, जग पत्थर राजा पिघलेगा, तद मैं कमली कहलावांगी, तद मैं कमली कहलावांगी. मेरे माही सनम जानम किव करे अनविदानम, शब गुजरी के जग सोया इमे जगे अनविदानम. निमे कमली कमली, निमे कमली कमली, कमली कमली मेरे यार दी झील दिल को कर गया तू दरिया दरिया मेरे यारा. अखियां दे मोहल्ले में हर शाम तेरा आलम, शब गुजरी ते जग सोया निम जगे अनविदानम. मेरे माही सनम जानम. बाकी वहाँ